traders, I'm very excited to invite you to join us at the annual Genesis Alpha Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp October 26th through November 6th. Alpha Fibonacci Genesis Trading Bootcamp with lifetime license of the Alpha Fibonacci Genesis Trading System is included with savings of up to $5,000 of each package to new September and October students. As always, we have waiting list of traders who love our annual bootcamps, and at this point we have only 11 spaces left. This changes daily as we keep very cohesive group of serious traders who will be mastering additional Alpha Fibonacci proprietary Genesis strategy, Genesis software in this annual event. This package includes Alpha Fibonacci Genesis Trading System for any platform, savings of $2,000. So if you're trading on any platform, Alpha Fibonacci Genesis System included. It is day and position trading proprietary strategy. If you are trading on NinjaTrader, you will receive Alpha Fibonacci Genesis lifetime license software with multi-market scanners and trade recognition software, savings of $3,000. With 10 days of the live trading boot camp, all of this at no cost to new September and October students. So this will play out during historical times, during the most volatile presidential election of November 3rd. So sooner you sign up, more prepared you will be. You will see the most powerful opportunities present in the markets for day and position trading. So if you're starting out in September, you will be very well prepared. If you're starting out in October, you will be spending time in very intense and volatile market conditions where you will be learning more during these 10 days as you learned in the previous 10-20 years of trading, as students constantly share, as graduates coming back for more and more and more, as every single day during 3 hours of very powerful education, you will learn proprietary Genesis Alpha Fibonacci strategy that applies to any instrument with precise entry, stop, and targets. You will master Alpha Fibonacci classic trading system with institutional trends, multi-market scanners, and trade recognition software. So if you are trading futures, stocks, Forex options, you are absolutely invited. The strategies apply to any instrument. We will be meeting every single morning starting 9:15 EST, on average 3 hours per day. Traders' mindset absolutely will be discussed. Money management, trader psychology, execution will be addressed in this bootcamp. All the details on the product section. So whatever option you choose, if it's group mentoring for any platform, bootcamp included. If you choose the most popular option, group mentoring with Ninja 8, software and scanner, bootcamp and Genesis software included. Private mentoring includes Genesis bootcamp for Ninja 8 or any platform. Any questions? Please do not hesitate to contact me. Simply click on Contact Us section and call or email me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. So when you come to the homepage, you will see in very powerful detail the proprietary Alpha Fibonacci method traded on Wall Street and in 50 countries since 2011 by thousands of traders on all instruments. Students who will be signing up for any of the 4 packages will receive Genesis software and Genesis Bootcamp with savings up to $5,000 off each package. If you scroll further down, you will see all the details. 3 months with video library, with live classes, with trading room, includes Genesis Bootcamp, Genesis software. Private mentoring includes Genesis Bootcamp, Genesis software. Also includes all group classes during 6 months. You would like to see more details? Click on more details. More details also available on the product section. When you come to our podcast channel, you will listen to graduates and students. Brad have done multiple Genesis bootcamps, 2 prior. So did Emmanuel. So did Pablo. Traders coming back again and again and again, as every single year I teach more and more. Bootcamp loved by all. Our top annual event, October 26th through November 6th, during the most volatile and most powerful market formations ever. I look forward seeing you there. Any questions? Simply click on Contact Us page and call or email me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com.